Hello, I'm Dr. Mahishma. I'm a consultant pediatrician at Cloudnine Hospitals, Hitech City branch, Hyderabad. Weaning is introducing new foods to the child at 6 months of age. So, as everybody knows, and that is what we follow regularly, till 6 months of age, breastfeeding is the only food that the child will take. Not even water is given to child; it's only milk. So, after 6 months of age, we'll slowly start introducing foods to the child. That is called as weaning. However, this weaning does not mean that we stop breast milk. Along with breast milk, we'll start introducing new foods to the child. Breastfeeding can be continued till 2 years of age. So, foods which can be given to the child at this age is we usually try to keep it simple, introduce one item per time so that you don't introduce multiple items to the child. Their gut has to get used to the new food. So, usually we say to give one item. Preferably start with rice-based foods, like in Telugu we commonly say it as huku. So rice-based cereal, it can be made at home or you get a packaged ones. Preferably homemade is very healthy for the child and it will have less side effects too. The consistency should be soft initially, then with growing age we'll make it as semi-solid, then finger foods, and then they can take hard foods like chapati. So the idea is to make the child eat whatever we as a family eat by 1 year of age, but at a softer consistency. So along with the cereal based, once you start with rice based cereals, then you can go for multi-grain or add millets like ragi, wheat, or you can add wheat. But preferably first start with rice and then go to wheat and then other millets like ragi. The second thing is by 8 to 9 months of age, we start introducing the child with finger foods like cut vegetables which are boiled so that they can pick up the food and eat. Also, non-vegetarians, if they want to start with non-veg food, you can start introducing egg yolk at 8 months, 6 months or 7 months of age and then start introducing egg white by 8 to 9 months of age. Non-vegetarian food like meat also can be introduced by 9 to 12 months of age. However, it has to be shredded, soft with no bones. Make sure there are no bones at all. You have to double check that and then give it at a softer consistency. They can be given water after 6 months of age, but no nuts to be given because usually they're allergic and these are small things which can get stuck in their throat. So we advise not to give any aerated drinks or nuts to the child at this age. The idea again is to keep the child eating family food by 1 year of age by step taking and by giving one food at a time and not introducing all the foods in 1 week. We start introducing the child to foods which we eat.